Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aries, what's coming to you October 2024. Okay, you have the first house, Aries, North Node. Uy. So Aries, focus kayo sa sarili nyo ngayong October. Parang meron kayong tinutuklas sa inyong life's purpose or sa inyong destiny. It's like you are in search for who you really are. Maaring meron kayong mga matutupad rin na mga pangarap para sa sarili ninyo or yung mga goals ninyo ngayong October, yung mga isa-set ninyo goals for October, matutupad nyo yan. And this will align you to i-align ka sa yung destiny. Okay, so may mga changes, may mga new beginnings for you ngayong October na ito yung paraan ng universe para madala ka doon sa iyong purpose, sa iyong destiny. More on, self-discovery. You will be more active ngayong October. Maaring mas lalabas ka ngayon, you will explore, you will learn new things. O, diba? May death. Death is about transformation. So, yeah, that makes sense. Merong major change. It's like a brand new you. Alam niyo yung ahas, no? Nagpapalit-balat sila. So parang brand new. You're going to shed that old skin, tapos fresh ka ulit. Pwede yung iba sa inyo, transformation physically. Oo, may mga pagbabago kayong gagawin sa inyong sarili. Pwedeng cosmetic yan, pwedeng sa inyong learning, sa inyong mga skill set. You also have sleeping man, unconscious. So may mga bagay na marireveal sa'yo, mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam tungkol sa sarili mo. So this is very transformational for you. I feel like sa matagal na panahon, hindi mo to pinapansin or parang you're not really interested in discovering more about yourself. But I feel like ngayong October, things will change kasi mas ma-inspire ka about yung discovery mo sa sarili mo. Nest, home. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong bagong bahay, bagong tirahan, pareho lang yun, no? Oo. Pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay. Or lilipat ng work, or it's like a new place. Pwedeng meron kayong bibiling bagong property, or you will also focus on having a comfortable home life or comfortable na tinitirahan. You have the Page of Swords. This is intelligence, curiosity. So like what I mentioned kanina, you will be learning, researching, pwedeng it's either mag-enroll ka sa mga schools, online school, traditional or unconventional type of learning, but you are going to learn something new. Tapos itong mga learnings mo na to, mas lalo tong magpapalakas ng loob mo para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. You have the Four of Pentacles, so this is stability in your finances. Some of you, mas makakapag-ipon kayo ngayong October. Pwedeng medyo kayo ngayon, hindi mo na gagastos. Ito yung time na medyo maghihigpit kayo sa paglabas ng pera. Because maaring may mga na kayo, parang pagbabago na kayo sa mindset nyo na mas importanteng mag-ipon kaysa gumastos. Oo. Uy, may Three of Swords. Merong heartbreak. Ano to? I feel like you're going to cut off a connection from someone. Pwedeng itong death na to is about ending of a relationship with someone. This can be a romantic partner, pwede rin tong friend, or someone that you feel na hindi ka na nakaka-resonate with, or parang feeling mo yung relationship na to is not doing any good para sa'yo or for the both of you. And pwede rin tong hindi lang relationship. This can also mean a situation na kailangan mo ng alisan or iwanan. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Ace of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng itong ending na to ay may kinalaman sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, kasi meron kang new beginnings, no? Sa iyong kaperahan. New beginning sa career, pwedeng may travel opportunities rin sa inyo. I also see someone na mag-abroad. Kaya siguro merong lungkot dito kasi, syempre, yung mga taong may iwan mo, dahil para sa pangarap mo, mag-abroad, ganyan. Let's see what else. You have, sa love life, you have the Three of Cups. So this is happiness, this is celebration. Yeah, it's giving me the vibe na, alam mo yung sa family, tapos meron kayong, pwedeng ikaw or isa sa inyo, sa family ay may opportunity abroad, tapos kailangan iwanan yung family para doon sa opportunity na yun. Kaya parang meron ditong lungkot. But this is also a celebration na parang may isi-send off kayo or parang despedida party, ganyan. But for some of you, I see you na mas patatatagin nyo yung relationship nyo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. I think you're going to value your connection with your family, with your friends, with your close connections. You have Mars in Taurus in the second house. Uy. Second house is money, your finances, your resources. Meron kang ipaglalaban na ari-arian. Oh, let's say for example, meron kang lupa, bahay na nagkakaroon ng tension dahil pwedeng ito ay pinag-aagawan ng pamilya. But I see you na gagawa ka ng paraan para hindi yan mawala sa'yo. This can be anything rin. Pwede rin tong mga work mo, mga creations mo na ilalaban mo dahil parang maaring merong gustong kumuha nun sa'yo. Can be your source of income. Let's say for example, meron kang maliit na negosyo sa harapan ng bahay nyo, pero sinisita yon kasi walang permit. Yung mga ganun. Paglalaban mo yon kasi alam mo na karapatan mo yun, pwedeng aayusin mo yung mga papers, at ipaglalaban mo kasi source of income mo yun eh. No? So I see you na fighting for something that is bringing you money, bringing you income. So you have Sun in Aries in the first house. Yes, palaban kayo, Aries. Sabi na sa inyo, focus kayo sa inyong sarili eh. You have Mars. To sa inyo na naman to, Mars energy. Mars in Sagittarius in the 9th house. I think meron din kayong patutunayan no, sa ibang tao kung gaano kayo kagaling. Kung gaano kayo, parang nagpapakita nyo yung inyong dominance. Na hindi kayo pwedeng i-take advantage ng iba or darag-daraga ng iba kasi papakita nyo yung inyong lakas. Para ma-intimidate sila. Dare to be the first, dare to be different. Yes, you're going to be more unique in a way na pwedeng you will be pioneer into something. Pwedeng meron kang sisimulan na ikaw talaga yung pioneer dyan. Ikaw yung nakaisip niyan. Maaring meron ka ring mga creative skills or creative ideas na gagawin mo na sa tingin mo ikaw pala yung nakakaisip nun. Or you're going to set a trend. No? This can be trend sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or anything na parang ipapauso mo, tapos maraming gagaya sa'yo. O, diba? So, I also see you na you're going to be more assertive. No? Yung parang palaban, no? Malakas ang loob, hindi magpapatalo. And another thing here, hindi mo pababayaan yung family mo. It's like you're going to fight for your family, for your home, for your resources. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.